Here's some air conditioners. A Trane, another Trane, a Bryant, and a tiny little carrier. This Trane is from 2005. It looks pretty small. Let me see. Yeah, it's a 2.5 ton. There is down inside of it, the compressor is red. It's a reciprocating compressor. And the motor is a GE fan motor. This looks similar to the Trane at my old house before I moved here. Here's a Trane XR13. This is pretty small too. This is from 2008, the year I was born. It is a 2.5 ton also. That's a GE commercial motor. I think those are a little better. That's also a red reciprocating compressor. 2008, 2005. Here's a Bryant. I really like Bryant. There's more. There's more after these, and I'm excited because they're cool. Cool looking. Where in the world is she? Okay, this is a Bryant. Let me take a picture of this logo. I like Bryant's logo. That's a GE commercial motor. It's cool how it kind of goes up, like this, but most of them do that. It's an ICP thing. The compressor, it's a Copeland scroll. Yeah, that's a Copeland scroll, and it had a GE commercial motor. Oh yeah, tonnage and year. It's from 2009, and I think it's a 1.5 ton. It's very dirty. Please help me on this. I think it's a 1.5 ton because there's 18 in here, but could be wrong. It's little. Here's this tiny carrier. Is this like a 1 ton or what? This is, look how small this is compared to my hand. Holy. Look at that. It's from 2001 and it's a 38 CKC. It's a 2 ton. Seriously? 2 ton? Wow, it's a little big for a 2 ton. But, yeah. Looks like a Bristol compressor. The motor is a GE. Yeah, that's an old Bristol reciprocating compressor. That's a GE fan motor too. Alright, up here there's 2 Nordynes. Up on this building. These are big Nordynes. I'm gonna go up these stairs. This is not my property at all. I'm just at random buildings. Oh, would you look at that? The sheets are torn off. Used to be right there. But I'm gonna get up here. Oh. They look to be like 5 tons. But there's in that one. That's a Copeland scroll compressor. And there's that one. They have the cool little lightning bolts. And, yeah, there they are. And I was right up there, and that's not safe, so that's why I was. There's more up here. I just filmed those 4, and these 2 Nordynes, but there's even more. And I'm excited, because there's even more. Ooh. There's were those 2 and those, and then there's more. There's 3 of them. There's 3 more. Here's a bigger Bryant, littler Trane, and a little Bryant. This is an XB10. This is the exact same air conditioner I had at my old house. And I miss it, and we're really far away from it now. This is 2009, and it's a 3 ton. That compressor is a scroll. I think it's a Copeland. Yeah, that's a Copeland scroll compressor. And then that's a GE fan motor. I like how it goes up like that. Bryant. And here's a Trane. Another red reciprocating compressor. It doesn't say what brand those red compressors are. Oh, wait a minute. There's the sticker, but I cannot really read what that says. But yeah. Where's the data? I can't find the data on, oh, silly me. It's from 2004, and it is a something. Maybe a 1.5 ton. Or something. There's an 18 in there. Yeah, it's a little train. Then here's a tiny Bryant. There's another Bryant. There's cars. It's from 2009. And it's another 1.5 ton. 3 ton, 1.5 ton, another 1.5 ton. This is a GE commercial motor, and I forgot to look at this motor. It's a GE motor. Oh, this one's got R410A. There's the Piron sticker. This one's got R410A refrigerant. Here's the filter dryer. And there's the filter dryer for that one, and all the disconnects. Yeah. So I'm just going to look at all of them over again. There's that one, that one, that one, and the 2 Nordynes up there. The 2 Nordynes up there. Oh my gosh. What are these just turned on? This one just turned on. Oh my gosh. And there's the other 4. Yeah. This one just turned on. This Nordyne is on now. Wow, I caught that startup. That is so cool. That one's off. But this Nordyne, I heard it turn on. Ooh. Well, that Nordyne's on now. Let me see how. Oh yeah, that's cold and sweaty already. Sweaty already. That rhymes. All right, this is a pretty exciting video, if you ask me. Lots of air conditioners and a Nordyne turning on as a bonus. That's pretty good. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Out.